Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create or add PDF file on ChatGPT. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to log in with your account on ChatGPT. And afterwards, after you logged in with your account, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead into clicking right here, the attachment button right here at the bottom left. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and upload from your computer. So what you're going to do, you're going to see a pop-up window, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to see, the PDF file, right? And let's say, for example, I want to go ahead into my files right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and click right here, this resume, right? So basically, after you added this PDF file, what you're gonna do, you're gonna forward it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will read the resume. And basically right here it says it looks like you uploaded a PDF of your resume. And basically, if you want to say, let's say for example you want summary, right, you're gonna just type right here summary, and basically they will give you the summary of your resume. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.